In this video, I'm going to teach you how to order Domino's Pizza online, cash on delivery. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can actually order Domino's Pizza online and pay with cash on delivery. So to do this, visit the official Domino's website or open the mobile app, where you will find the options to start your order and choose delivery. So in here, choose delivery. You will be able to set up your address, so you can choose your address accordingly. And now you can choose from any of the items on the menu, add them to your cart. So you can go over to pizzas, for example, add to order, you can customize, it doesn't matter, regardless of what you order, you will be able to choose to pay with cash on delivery. So there's no limitation regarding what you can add to your cart. So once you are satisfied, you have added everything, you can go ahead and choose the checkout option. This will bring you to the last checkout menu, where you can confirm everything, including your address and of course the payment method. So in here you will review your order, make sure that you included everything, be aware of the order total, and then you can go ahead and continue. Now, when it's time to sign into your account optionally and choose a payment method, just make sure that you select Pay on Delivery, cash or card. So as you can clearly see, they give us the option to pay with cash. So you have to go all the way to the last step, that is the payment. You will have to sign in with your information, so first name, last name, email, and then a mobile number, delivery instructions optionally, and then pay on delivery. So this is the only important part. Make sure that you choose this over pay online by card. So you will also see other options here, especially depending on your region. You might see more or less payment options, but regardless of where you are located, pay on delivery with cash will be available. And after you select it, you can go ahead and place your order. I hope I was able to help you on how to order Domino's Pizza online with cash on delivery. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.